G'day folks, just wanted to do a quick fly over this secondary canvas I had sitting off to the side for a piece I did today, and it's great. The paint's actually settling into the middle. It's moving in, yeah, it's slowly just drifting into the middle, and yeah, I'm just going to let it happen and see what happens. It'll take a few days to dry because it's already starting to thicken up, as you can see. But I think I'm going to use those 4-chamber paint pots manually a few more times, because running it around the edge like this, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it was a lot of fun and a pretty cool sort of border. So yeah, might try a experiment with doing some central pendulum swings and then grabbing the paint pot off the pendulum and running it around the edge like that. But yeah, thought I'd just give you folks another quick look at the silliness. And yes, there is plenty of it on this canvas because it's a big canvas. That's the spin rig, and that's the size of the canvas. See you next time.